In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete resume on Indeed. Keeping your resume updated on Indeed is essential if you want to present yourself professionally to potential employers. Sometimes, that means removing an older version of your resume so you can replace it with something more accurate and up-to-date. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete your resume from your Indeed profile in a simple and clear way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Indeed website. Once the homepage loads, sign into your account if you haven't already done so. This will give you access to your personal dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your profile. After logging in, navigate to your profile section. You can usually find this by clicking on your name or profile icon on the page. This will take you to your account page, where different sections of your information are organized and easy to access. From there, focus your attention on the resume section. This is where your current resume is stored and visible to you. It's also the version that employers may see if your profile is set to be searchable. Take a moment to locate your listed resume within this section. Next to your resume, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. This icon opens a menu that contains additional options related to your resume. Go ahead and click on it. Once the menu appears, look for the option that allows you to delete the resume. Before you proceed, it's important to understand that deleting your resume will remove it from your profile completely. This is usually done when you want to replace outdated information or upload a revised version that better reflects your current skills and experience. When you're ready, click on the Delete option. The system will remove your resume from your account. After this step, your profile will no longer have that version attached, giving you the opportunity to upload a new and improved resume whenever you're ready. And that's it. By removing an outdated resume, you're making sure your professional profile stays accurate and relevant. Regularly reviewing and updating your information can make a big difference in how employers see your qualifications. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.